I'm the SharePoint senior consultant. So before going to this training section, the demo process, so I need some basic information from your end. So do you have any background experience in .NET or in that team? So what is SharePoint? Why we are using SharePoint? So what is the main purpose of the SharePoint? Is nothing but SharePoint is it's a collaboration platform. Every organization, every company, they will use SharePoint portal for internally and externally. This is a rapid application development platform. Let's say, so you can this application you can use all the domain. It will support all the domains except the bank transaction process. So let you see my screen. Are you able to see?
Yes,
No
I'm
one
able
is
to
there.
see.
Yes, yeah. See, let's see. Actually, here some of the domains. This is a telecom-based company, and this is HR-based. This is a electronic components company. So nothing but manufacturing company. See, out of hundreds, we can say 60% of your websites are developed with SharePoint only. This is completely SharePoint only. It will support HTML5 compatibility. Previously, we had SharePoint 2010. The backend look and feel is Silverlight. Now SharePoint 2013, SharePoint 2016. It will come purely HTML5 compatibilities. See, this is SharePoint 2010 sites. This is SharePoint 2013. This is a SharePoint 2013 sites. The branding, the look and feel, and what are the images, images, everything. The backend posts everything in HTML5 only. Okay. Now coming to SharePoint critically. So I think I said it's not a program; it's a pure platform. It's a business collaboration platform. So every year now TCS and Mahindra Satyam and Capgemini, that internally they are using SharePoint portal for sharing the documents and with security. So, so what is the best competitive tool for SharePoint? Nothing but in current market. IBM FileNet is the competitive tool, and EM Square Documenting is the competitive tool. So this SharePoint and IBM FileNet and EM Square Document, these are enterprise content management tools. So in Microsoft SharePoint, whereas IBM FileNet and EM Square is a document. So for SharePoint or the look and feel, the user interface is almost similar to MS Office look and feel. So every non-IT person also you can easily operate the SharePoint sites. You can easily understand the user interface and navigation part. Whereas James Square document or IBM FileNet, the technical person can do those things. Okay, so clear. Let's go for one by one. What is SharePoint? Or how many? What are the things that in SharePoint? So in this training section, what we will do? I mean, what are the features we will cover? So I will go for one by one. In SharePoint, we have three roles. One is SharePoint administration and SharePoint development, SharePoint designer. So we can cover SharePoint administration as well as the development point, and designer little bit. We can apply the branding. We can write the own CSS files, how to apply the CSS file to SharePoint site, how to move the CSS file to production. Everything we can cover in designing part also. The minimum requirement of the designing part is first the basic CSS file, CSS, how to apply this, how to create the CSS files for website applications, and HTML controls also. Compared to administration development part, for development the basic requirement is minimum OOPS concept and C# coding, and JavaScript. The client side also JavaScript. Whereas administration, so no need to nothing required from any background experience. So we can directly configure the SharePoint servers. We can create a form topology. We can create a site collection. Everything we can do from SharePoint administration. So we will start the training. We will start the training section from SharePoint administration only. Let's go for what is SharePoint. What are the functions we have in SharePoint? So these are all SharePoint features. The sites and communities and contain search, insights, and composites. What is sites? What is communities? What is content? What is search? So let's go for one by one. So do you see my screen? These are all SharePoint predefined templates. So almost in SharePoint applications, without coding, we can achieve all the functionality. It's a Microsoft. They provide predefined templates. Nothing but if you want to create any sites, any web applications, Microsoft they have provided some predefined templates. We can use those templates. We can create a rapid application development. Whereas we can go for other technologies, either like .NET, anything. We can do coding and we can fetch the data from SQL or everything. So here in SharePoint, as a pre-defined templates, everything will be within SharePoint server only. just we can use, we can plug in it, just we can use, and we can we can customize the according to business requirement. Business requirement. So let's go for I will show to you main function, main objectives of here. So this is SharePoint site. This is called My Site. Nothing but in like social networking features. So for example, we have Facebook account is that we can share that, we can share it, we can chart it. Everything will be for your account only. The same thing in SharePoint also. We have social networking feature is there. That is My Site. In My Sites we can chart. I mean, we can chart to different people, and we can share the documents. We can like it. We can follow it. Follow the documents. Everything will be stored in My Sites. My Sites. This is a personal. It's personal site. You can store your own information. You can store your content, documents, everything. So this is blog. I think we know the SharePoint, Google Blocks for this. Similar to in SharePoint also we have blog template is there. So these are all SharePoint out of box features only. We can configure it. We can customize according to business requirement only. So this is one of the site. This is publishing portal. Mostly in SharePoint administration development, we can use SharePoint team sites as well as the publishing portal. So team site internally, the people who can use it, whereas publishing portal, most of these, see, let's say these are publishing portals. Externally, these are publishing. This TCS is a publishing portal, and one more thing, Avanade is a publishing portal. So these are publishing portals. So if you want if you want to publish your content internet based, we can select publishing portal. So we have some differences there. What is the publishing portal and what is the teamset portal? So I can tell later each topic. So what are the features in team portal? What are the features in publishing portals? How to define in which case I can use teamset, in which case I can use publishing portal. So I can explain that one. So this is one of the record center. So record center, document center, drop-off library, everything will be there, because majorly the SharePoint is a content storing. We can store number of documents. So almost lakhs of documents with security also. So let's say we in our team, they have IT team is there, non-IT team is there, financial team is there, and supporting team is there. So we can upload the documents with respect to a particular team, and we can share those documents with the different persons. These are business intelligence. Let's say we have Excel data is there, the same Excel reports we can show to SharePoint also. So without coding, because in SharePoint also it will support Excel service-based services. So once you configure Excel services, just we can use this Excel service to SharePoint. I think so. One is the best example of the best feature in SharePoint is search application. I think in Microsoft they are using Bing search application. The similar Bing search application they are implemented in SharePoint also. That is also there is no coding. We can configure the search application. Just we can move it. We can work on this one. So almost all the 60 to 80% of the features we can do configurations, basic customization of the basic customization of existing for templates. The remaining 30 to 40%, based on the business requirement, we can go for coding. I mean, there is server side coding or client side coding, or info platform templates. So these are all. This is basic search. These are people search, enterprise search. See everything we can search. We can easily customize it. See, these are business intelligence reports. See the graphs, everything we can configure those reports and plug into SharePoint. See, this type of reports are there. Next, coming to the workflows. Generally, in .NET people they are using Windows Workflow Foundation for creating any automation process. Let's say in bank application, the swiping the card or transactional processing, we can receive the email or SMS. The same way we can receive in SharePoint also either email or SMS option. The workflow process, automation, workflow process. In SharePoint, how to create the workflow? Nothing good. We have two options. One is Visual Studio workflows, and second one is SharePoint Designer workflow. In Visual Studio, we can write the coding from start to ending point. But if you create any workflows in Visual Studio, first the basic requirement is .NET and WW Foundation. If you know the WW Foundation, we can easily create the workflows. Whereas SharePoint Designer, so no need to nothing. There is no coding in the SharePoint Designer. Just we can create rules and actions. We have provided any condition. Based on the condition, we can provide the action. So that is also we can teach a very we can teach sequence workflows at state machine workflow SharePoint Designer. So previously SharePoint 2010 Designer it will support only sequence workflow, whereas SharePoint 2030 it will support sequence workflow and state machine workflow. So what is the difference between serial workflow and state machine workflow? The serial workflow, let's say when you are applying one lead, so that will pass to your lead or approve lead. After that, the lead will approve that leave. That again it will move to your manager. This is a sequence level. Whereas state machine nothing but the looping of the multiple loops. Let's say one application they have five approvers are there. So in five approvers, one of the person the five that person can reject the email. It will move to second or first one or fifth one. So that's the complex looping. On SharePoint 2010, it will not the use complex workflows. It will not support SharePoint 2010 application. Whereas SharePoint 2013, SharePoint 2016 will support sequence and state machine workflows. And nothing but complex workflows of it will support. So we can tell the designing of the workflows and the sequence and state machine workflows. So let's say most of the companies they will use SharePoint Designer or Nintex. I mean I think in current market Nintex is a third-party tool. Nintex and Vertio and K2 workflows these are third-party tools. So some of the features not available. For example, the document is there. So the document they have five approvals. So each one is approved the document. After fifth one, the Word document will be converted to PDF. The conversion of Word to PDF there is no the docs is not available in SharePoint Designer. So in this case, the client they will use Nintex workflows or K2 workflows. So Nintex nothing that is also completely designing portal. That there is no coding Nintex also. Whereas K2 workflows it will support coding and designing. So most of the companies they will use SharePoint Designer. So SharePoint Designer or Nintex and K2 workflows, and Vertio also one of the best tools. So I will show in the real-time scenarios what are the major things in the Nintex and what are the lacks of what are the some of which is not available. Those features I can explain. So this is a visual diagram of the workflows. The workflow started if is one approved, if one equal to one approved, then it will go to one file and it will go to one person. So I can create these visual diagrams. I can explain very much. Next, let's say in real-time scenario, when travel domain is there in the travel domain, so we can create one form, the start point, ending point, and pickup point, ending point, date of journey, and departure type, input, everything. See, did you see my screen? Yeah, the travel request form is there. The same functionality we can achieve using the SharePoint out-of-box features, or if it is not possible, you can move to info platform services. Info platform is also Microsoft Office product. Just we can install MS Office, it will be integrated to SharePoint application. So the complex, if you got any scenario, first we will check SharePoint out-of-box features. If it is not possible, you can go for info platform. It is not possible, you can go for coding. The sequence of this flow of this way. First out-of-box feature, info platform, then coding for the server-side coding or client-side coding. Depends on the requirement, the architecture. Next, the security also. We have a lot of securities, read, contribute, full control, and view controls. View, same thing. What are the general, the database securities, what are the SQL database securities? The same security options available in SharePoint also. So this is SharePoint out-of-box feature, form, employee ID, form name, foster data. These are SharePoint out-of-box features. Previously, this is info platform services. This form is developed under info platform. This form is developed using SharePoint out-of-box features only. The users, so the users mostly the users. What are the Active Directory users? Those Active Directory users synchronized to SharePoint user profile services only. The synchronization, what is the how to get the users from Active Directory to SharePoint? That is called user profile synchronization. So we can configure user profile services, how to synchronize, how to create a timer job. Particular time we need to particular time only the synchronization will be happen. We need to, I mean, the process of the entire user profile, so we can tell later. That's one of the best services in SharePoint also. So generally, if you have the active account or Windows account, then only you can log into SharePoint site. So these are SharePoint out of box feature. The I mean, metadata, nothing but columns. Generally, we normally we in terms of SQL .NET, they call columns and rows. In your SharePoint, we call um, metadata also. Metadata column rows also, items, everything. The naming convention of the naming convention is different in SharePoint. Whereas .NET we can call records for rows and columns, but in our SharePoint we can call items and metadata, those things, site columns. So these are different terminology of the SharePoint. So these are all forms. Like after creating the form, after entering the imports, this is the view form. This is content for workflows. These are all metadata. I will show this is a completely SharePoint out-of-box features only. First, we will cover SharePoint out-of-box features and customization of out-of-box feature. Then we will move to coding. Let's say I will give one more example here. Generally, most of the companies now they are migrating for the old server to new server because so I think my SharePoint history is it will start 2001, WSS 2001. After that 2003, WSS 2003. After that March 2007, MOS S 2007, Microsoft Office SharePoint Service Application, SharePoint Server. Now SharePoint 2010, now SharePoint 2013, now SharePoint 2016. 2016 it will start. It will release the beta version will be released in the month of September first week or second week. So major changes compared to old version to new version. Whereas March 2007, March MOSS, Microsoft Office SharePoint Server 2007, huge they have implemented a lot of options in March 2007. So compared to March 2000 SharePoint 2010, they implemented Silverlight backend Silverlight applications and the service-based service applications, and some of the service will be included in SharePoint 2010. So SharePoint 2010 to SharePoint 2013. So SharePoint 2013 it is purely main purpose of the SharePoint 2013 is apps implementation. I think in nowadays everyone they are using apps and Android apps. So now Windows apps also. Now the SharePoint also we can create our own app. We can place to Google or product. I mean cloud also. So those are we have two types of apps are available. One is SharePoint hosted apps and SharePoint provider apps. So what is SharePoint hosted app and what is SharePoint provider apps? Nothing but SharePoint hosted apps nothing but. So we can create your own app within the SharePoint server only. So whereas SharePoint provider apps nothing but we can create our own app. We can store in our cloud base. Nothing but on premises and online. So we can teach your SharePoint how SharePoint host app for creating how to create SharePoint host apps in SharePoint application. So what is the app model? So in general for apps it's isolated. So it will not depend on any other applications. It will work independently. So how to maintain the security for app management? App model. Generally we call app model. So what is the app model overview? So that is also we can cover in this one. Now coming to Office 365 also. So Office 365 also nowadays some of the companies, small organization they release Office 365 implementation. So Office 365 is a cloud-based platform. So the Microsoft team they will give Office SharePoint is one of the feature in Office 365. So let's say they're using Office 365 site, but I want to do some coding for to Office 365. So generally, for coding, it by default it will not support it. But how to do the custom code to SharePoint Office 365 site? So that process also we can give the overview of the Office 365 and SharePoint Office 365 SharePoint site also. So one more thing, the cloud platform is a Windows Azure. So in Windows Azure, with Windows Azure also, we can install entire server Windows Azure account, either SQL SharePoint server, SQL server, everything can install. We can work in remotely in our remotely. So this I can give the overview of the what is Windows Azure account, what is Windows Azure, what is the important of the SharePoint in Windows Azure, how to install it, how to install the SharePoint in Windows Azure. Also we can give the basic introduction of the Windows Azure and Office 365. So coming to one more part, the best option is migration process. So Microsoft they are not providing support to March 2007 application. Mars 2007 version. So that's the reason most of the companies, so they are migrated to SharePoint 2010 or SharePoint 2013. Most of the companies they prefer SharePoint 2013 only. So here, if you want to migrate Mars 2 to 7 to SharePoint 2013, so there is no direct migration process for 7 to 2013. So first, you need to migrate 7 to 10, 10 to 13, then to 2010. So this is the process. So we have third-party tools also there. Third-party tool nothing but we can buy the license also. They will I mean those products will support to migration from 2007 to 2013 directly. But in our SharePoint, the Microsoft is recommended. First, you need to migrate SharePoint Master Tools to SharePoint 10, SharePoint 10 to 13. So what is the process for migration? So that is also we can cover. I think migration nothing but for that one we can use PowerShell commands or PowerShell scripts. So, instead, what are the content we have in Master 7? The same content we can move to SharePoint 2010, SharePoint 2013. I will explain those things also because nowadays the migration is very, very important for Microsoft applications. So, apart from that one, so actually I'm the real-time employee. So real-time working experience. So I can show my work to you. So this is the flow of this is the flow. We are using this feature in this level. So I can explain likewise. So apart from this one, so SharePoint admin we can cover what are the features I have in SharePoint Center administration. SharePoint Center administration. The same all the topics we can cover. I mean backup or the external security, the creation of application, web application, site collection, site subsites, everything. After the permissions, there's nothing but security, the backup of the store and email configuration of the SharePoint account, and create a managed account, and apps management portal and info platform services. These are all info platform services and the services. SharePoint shared search application, nothing but create configuration of the search application, user profiles, manage metadata services, and BCS. Let's best example of one more best feature in SharePoint is, let's say we have a huge data in Oracle database or a SAP database. So now I want to fetch those data, fetch the data from Oracle or SAP to SharePoint. So for this one also we have two options. Generally we will use web services to get the data from Oracle or any SAP databases to SharePoint. One more feature is the BCS, Business Connectivity, Business Data Catalog Services. So business connectivity services also. This is we call BCS in SharePoint. By using BCS, there is no for BCS this is only configuration. We create a just if you ask one of this if you ask username password the database, we can get the data from Oracle to SharePoint without coding also. It's a little configuration process also. So we will tell how to do that one in the process of the third party. I mean getting the data from third party tools like Oracle or any database. So one more thing, it will support all the applications. So if you want to fetch the BO reports, let's say BO reports to SharePoint, how to do? So generally in cartridge IOMS is there. IOMS is one of the best tools for using SAP BO site. IOMS is a free software we can install in our SharePoint server. So automatically the reports will be created in SharePoint out-of-box templates. So you can use those templates. You can get the data from SAP BO. So the Microsoft platform, the SharePoint platform, we can easily integrate it to different applications. So almost for this integration also there is no coding. So previously in Mars 2007 SharePoint 2010, we can create our own. We can get the data by using web services. Okay. So now the SharePoint 2013, so no need to go for web services. Directly we can get the data. So that's it. So now one more thing, the SharePoint 2013. So one of the best feature is discovery search. And generally in a document application, if you want to search any data, it will get the data from database only. What are the data we have in SQL? The SQL data, the same content we can share, we can get it. So in our SharePoint 2013 e-discovery is there. So if you want to search any data, it will pull the data from SQL databases and link LYNs, link communicator, and Outlook Excel server, and FTP server also. So everything we can, it will support. That is called e-discovery site. E-discovery table. This is a new feature in SharePoint 2013. E-discovery. And previously, this one more best example is previously in 2010 and March 2007, the backend process is a purely ASP.NET application with Silverlight. Now SharePoint 2013, it will take HTML, it will support HTML5 controls. Nothing but it will give the branding, the lightweighted code only. So majorly SharePoint 2013, SharePoint 2016, in backend process is only lightweight coded. Nothing but the HTML5 and JavaScript and AngularJS, and now the current mark AngularJS is the very very best script for getting the get data and uploading the data and inserting the data, everything. So it is the lightweighted code only. We have so many libraries in AngularJS. We can use those libraries. We can translate to one language to another language also. It's very easy by using AngularJS. So these are all client side. Client side, let's say example client side nothing but in client side we can use JavaScript coding, JavaScript content, JavaScript and REST services. Uh, Nothing the flavor of this script, nothing but AngularJS is there, Nacode.js is there, and Boost of CSS files is there. So these are all will be supported to client side. Whereas server side nothing but we have so many objects, C# objects are there. By using C# objects, we are pulling the data and pulling the data and inserting the data to SharePoint list. So, that is. So now the hierarchy, what is the architecture of the SharePoint? Nothing but so generally the .NET application, Java applications, everything. What are the data they have? They are getting data from SQL or any databases. SharePoint also in backend process, we are entering some data in SharePoint side. In backend, the data will be available in SQL database only. But the developers and administration, for admin people, major requirement for SQL server is they will use main purpose of the backup and restore only. Whereas developers no need to touch SQL server. Everything will be there SharePoint server only, SharePoint site only. So SharePoint site to C# coding. That's it. In terms of development part. So generally the .NET people and every Java developers, so they will touch SQL server or Oracle server, Java, any servers. They're using stored process, they're using some condition, data is connection, everything they will use in coding. But in SharePoint no need to. So we have some SharePoint objects are there. By using SharePoint objects, we can directly interact with the SharePoint site only. So no need to go for SQL server. Okay. So actually we will teach SharePoint 2013 only. So we are not teaching any SharePoint 2010 applications. If you're interested, you can teach SharePoint 2010 also. But we can show the basic look and feel, look and feel March 2007, SharePoint 10 and SharePoint 2013. So what are the main features will be added in new versions? The main difference between 7 and 2010 and 2013. We can cover all the functions, all the features. We will focus on new features, especially e-discovery side, display template, search application services, and apps implementations, those things. And finally, the deployment process. The deployment, the deployment process for moving the solution package to development server to production, UAT production. So we can cover those things also. Okay. For any questions, friends? Any questions, sir? Hi, hello.
Yeah, thanks, Sanjay.
This is hardcore. This is a complex menu item. This is called meta menu. So if you want to create this type of menu, so definitely they will use coding part. Okay. And the Birla Sunlock incidents. So a lot of so SharePoint is involved all the domains. Nothing but bank domain, especially bank domain also now the SharePoint DLG they are using RBS World Bank of Scotland they are using SharePoint 2013 site, and DLG Direct Line Group they are using SharePoint 2013 site, and Birla Sun Life they are using SharePoint 2013 site. So they will use SharePoint 2013 site 10 site. But the transaction process, the transaction from card to card are the transaction process they will use third-party application like the Oracle or Java platform. So remaining the document storing, the content storing, the security, everything they will use SharePoint application only.
So basically, the SharePoint will be used to store the contents.
Yes, store the contents. Yeah, with security. Yeah.
Okay.
Store the contents. It's purely ASP.NET application only. Let's say .NET. So if you want to create any .NET site, generally we will use SQL Server, everything. The same. It's a rapid application domain. It's built on top of the ASP.NET application only. It's a rapid development platform. Where if you want to create any master pages in .NET for especially one 2 years of experience candidate, it will take over approximately 3 or 4 days. Whereas SharePoint 2010, SharePoint 2030, it's a very easy. We have templates are there. We can use those templates. We can change the customization according to branding, look and feel.
Understood.
Yeah.
Okay, Venkat, I think we understand.